Now we have our 4 exterior walls in place. Now it's time to design our interior walls for our plan. So what you're gonna do is you're going to design those walls. Now, here is your exterior walls that are nailed in place. So now it's time to actually design your interior walls. You're gonna be given 2 long plate sticks. You get to design your walls for however you want or your plans. But remember, the requirements are 2 walls, and you need to have 1 rough opening for a door or just an opening. So that is required, 2 walls. If you have more than that, go for it. All right, you can design for how many walls that you want. But the minimum is 2 interior walls with 1 opening. Now here is an example of 2 walls. This is kind of a short one. What we do right here is, see, I can go like this, can't I? I could go 2 shorter interior walls, something like that. This would suffice. I could turn the door this way. I could do whatever I want. This one has a door opening, and this is just a plain wall. That would meet the minimum requirements. I could go rate something like that, but you gotta remember, however you design your house, you cannot put a wall in front of a window and stuff. So you gotta make sure that you don't mix that up and have a wall that's in front of a window. Now, I could go something like this. These are traditional doors to our half size. And I could nail in place those 2 interior walls, something like that. Another example would be something like this. These are big openings, so I don't really have any doors in it, but I would have 2 openings for more of an open kind of setting house. This would be like an archway going to your living room versus your kitchen and stuff like that. So you can have bigger doors like this, or you can have smaller doors. You know how to lay out walls. What you're gonna do is you mark out, you cut the plates to length, just like we've been doing. You cut the plates to length, you mark out where the studs go. Remember, line X every 2 inches. Then you put in your opening or openings, depending on what you have for your house. So you get that all laid out, designed out, you build your house, nail these in place, then we will do the next step, which is the top plate. And I will demonstrate that in the next video. Once again, I'm not grading this part of it. Once we get the top plate done, then we will begin grading your house. The completed interior walls and the top plate will be graded at one time. If you have any questions, ask. Thank you.